everyone! Welcome to my first video where I got my mom to teach me so I can teach you how to make these epic sweet and spicy potatoes. If you've been wanting to step up your flavor game and serve your friends and family a side dish showstopper, then you're going to want to get in your kitchen and try this one out. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need potatoes, of course. We used Yukon Gold, but you can use whatever you have. You're also going to need green chilies, cilantro, which is optional, cumin seeds, black mustard seeds, turmeric powder, raw uncooked peanuts, curry leaves, dried or fresh, white granulated sugar, salt, lemon juice, and vegetable oil. For reference, ingredients along with the measurements are also listed in the description of this video. First things first, you're going to want to prep your potatoes by peeling them. Then cut them into uniform cubes. We cut them into 1-inch cubes, but it doesn't really matter, just keep them uniform in size so they cook evenly. You're also going to want to give your potatoes a bath once they're cut to wash some of the starch off. Then go ahead and fill a pot with water and let that heat up on the stove about medium to high heat. Once your water is hot, it's okay if it's not boiling yet, you're going to go ahead and add your potatoes. Now if you run into a situation like we did, where you added too much water, no worries, just grab a glass and scoop some water out. You just need about 1 inch of water covering the potatoes. At this point, you can go ahead and dump your salt into the pot and give it a stir. Then cover the pot and let it come to a boil on medium to high heat. Once boiling, you can turn down the heat, remove the lid, and let it continue to boil until the potatoes are cooked. The total cooking time from the point of adding the potatoes to the water was about 25 minutes, but this time may vary depending on how many potatoes you're using and the size you cut them. And while the potatoes are cooking, we took the time to chop the green chilies and cilantro. And because I know cilantro is a controversial ingredient, feel free to use less or leave it out completely. You'll know the potatoes are done when you test a cube with a fork and it breaks apart with little effort, but still holds its shape. Remember, we're not making mashed potatoes. Once cooked, remove from the heat and drain completely. Now to get to the fun part where we actually add some flavor to these potatoes. In a small pot, heat the vegetable oil on medium-high heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add the peanuts and let them cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add the mustard seeds and let them cook until they begin to pop, which takes about another minute. You can then add the cumin seeds and turmeric, which will give these potatoes their vibrant color, and add the dried curry leaves. Give it a mix, or how my mom likes to do it, just swirl the pot and add your chopped green chilies and cover with a lid. Let it cook for another 10 seconds and then turn the heat off. Now add your sugar, lemon juice, and a teaspoon of salt and give it a final mix, or swirl. You can also add the sultana raisins at this point if you choose to. Personally, I prefer without them, but my mom's the real chef here and she likes it with them, so we added them. We are now ready to flavor bomb our boiled potatoes, so go ahead and gently combine everything together, being careful not to break apart the potatoes too much. And while you mix, turn the heat on low to help all the flavors meld together. Now turn the heat off, top with your cilantro, and enjoy with naan, roti, or use any leftovers as a filling in a cheese and potato panini. Trust me, it's delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in our next video. Until then, take care.